My name is Brian Smith, product specialist here at Performance Acura. Today we're going to be showing you the Acura ELS surround sound stereo. So once inside the Acura MDX, the vehicle with the technology package provides you with the ELS surround sound stereo. The ELS actually stands for Elliot Shiner. He's the music composer that got together with Acura to come up with this award-winning stereo. This is a DVD audio 5.1. This is true home theater surround sound. Now some may ask, what is DVD audio? It's the highest format that you can actually record in, which is why when you put in that DVD in your home, in your DVD player, it shows 5.1 Dolby surround sound. This is the stereo that's in this vehicle. It's award winning. So as you're listening to this music, Elliot actually designed this stereo for the Acura MDX. It has a center speaker, it has a subwoofer, it has surround sound speakers all throughout this vehicle. The sound and the quality of this vehicle is absolutely amazing. I'm currently listening to Watercolors on XM, and this is jazz. And as you can hear, the crystal clear quality of the speakers and the music is awesome. Come on inside, test drive an Acura MDX or the Acura of your choice. Select the technology package, and I guarantee you this will be the experience of your life.